Hello, my name is Jadon Carter, and I'm one of the lead devs for Legends and Lore. Today, we're going to be going over the blueprint system. So let's click into there. Great. Now, when it comes to blueprinting, what this basically means is kind of like modularly making an area for people to play in. So let's start by creating a basic house. So as you can see, the selection we have now is wood. So if I wanted to create a house, I hold down the trigger button, or it's the mouse click on PC with keyboard and mouse. And then once I have a general house shape that I like, I let it go, give it a second, and it builds the house. Now, the plus and minus buttons are mostly for like changing the shape, because otherwise you can only do squares if it's just holding it from one point to another. So if I press that plus button, I can bring the house out any way I want. And if I press the minus button, I can subtract pieces of the house. Right. And as I said before, if you wanted to change like pieces of the house, like maybe like, oh, one part's wood and then it goes to stone, all you gotta do is click stone, click that plus button, and you build out from that wood house into a stone house. You can also make your house out of stone and all that kind of stuff. So basically, you have the material and then you have the things to kind of shape your buildings. The door button is different. Now, this is actually really important. No one can get into your building if there's no door, right? Unless they spawn their character in there. So basically, to get a person into a building and spawn a door, you have to use the grid node. So if you go a little bit lower, let's go lower to the board, you'll see these green grid nodes start to appear. All you have to do is click one of the grid nodes, and then click another that's next to a door. So both sides of the wall, and that will spawn a door. And then you just need to click that lock key, and it will open. And then if you click it again, it will close. And you can use this to spawn doors so people can get in and out of your rooms. Side note, only a game master can open and close doors. So if you wanted to, so if somebody wanted to get into a room and they failed like a sleight of hand check, let's say you're playing D&D, well, the game master wouldn't open the door for them, so there'd be no way for them to get inside. All right, now I'm going to show you guys how to do adjacent rooms. So let's start off by making one room out of stone. And one out of wood. Now, I can connect these rooms with a door. So if I click a door and then go down to where I can see the tiles, I just have to click two of the adjacent tiles and a door is made. Only a game master can open a door once again, but this basically makes it so you can connect any two rooms. Great. At this point, let's go to decorate. Now, these two rooms are separate rooms, so I can decorate them separately. So I can make one, let's make the wood room into a bedroom. Make one into a bedroom, make sure you press the decorate button right there. And I can change the configuration if I don't like it. And then I can add more bedroom props to it if I feel like it needs it. Right there. I think that's actually nice. I kind of like that setup, the first one. All right, and then I can also go to the kitchen and make the stone room into a kitchen. And once again, add more props to it as I see fit. There. All right. Now, one thing I forgot to mention is you can actually change the material of a room in runtime. So if I click stone and I'm using this wood room, I can actually add some stone to this room by dragging that out. So right here. And now you see the wood, I mean the room is half wood, half stone. Alright, that's pretty much it for this video. If you wanted to destroy any of these objects, like you don't like how something got placed, you go to the spawning UI, that's found in a different video, and you're able to do so there. Alright guys, that's going to be it from me. I appreciate you guys coming to look at these videos, and I'm looking forward to seeing what you make. Alright, bye.